stop, sir.
Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, sir. Help.
Give
Please,
us
sir.
your hand now.
I'm not doing nothing.
Give me your hand.
Please help me.
Concerned that way. Got one shot in the black Nissan on.
Okay, East Ennis. 11 photos on. You know where you're going?
Slumped over.
No, I don't. Okay. Slow down. Slow down. Because Ennis is. Start making a right.
There's a bullet hole in the front side of the vehicle. 24's en route.
It's south of us. Okay. 8th is going to be before Parsons. Go ahead and shoot south here on 4th. We're looking for Ennis. Nice and calm, alright? Male shot in a black Nissan Altima slumped over the wheel.
The vehicle is stuck in the middle of the road and is still running.
So we're probably going to have to block it in so that we can get access to him and help him out. This is Ennis. I'm getting gloved up, alright? Left.
Waiting for additional.
Slow down. Alright, stroll up, move up. This is 5th.
That's 12, let's take copy, I'm on it. What's your address?
Yeah, it's at the intersection of Ennis and 8, the middle of the road.
Yeah,
Black Nissan with one on board.
Brook. Looks like up there. Here we go. Yep. 111, we're pulling up.
Oh dear.
Stop. Here we go. My man. Hey. What's going on? Hey, what's going on?
Yes, sir.
You alright, Bob?
Yes, sir.
You alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, step out.
Yes, sir.
Step out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Step out.
Yes, sir. I'm getting out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting out right now, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting out, sir.
Out. Step out.
I'm getting out.
Step out.
Please stop, sir. Please.
Stop.
Sir, please stop.
Car.
I'm not doing nothing. Sir, please. Please stop. Sir. I'm getting out, please. Please stop, sir. Please. Ow. Please stop, sir.
Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, sir. Ow.
Give
Please.
us your hand now.
I'm not doing nothing.
Give me your hand.
Please help me. Why are you doing this to me? Why, sir? Why, please? Help me, please.
Now out of 43, passed out behind the wheel, trying to take off.
What's wrong, man?
Well, not a 43.
Oh. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my God. Why'd you have to do that?
Alright.
Roll slow down.
Slow down.
Anyone responding on a 6, you can slow down.
Roll them over.
Oh.
Nice and careful.
Oh. Hey, guys.
You hurt?
Yes.
Where? You hurt?
My bag, man.
What?
My bag.
No, buddy. Half on the poor guy.
He tried to. Oh no, he tried to take off on us.
Oh, I didn't try to take off, man. I did not try to take off. I'm sorry, dude. I woke up scared, man. I woke up scared, dude. I'm nervous.
Alright. Alright. Ready?
Yep. Let me
Oh,
You got a
man.
good pat down?
Yeah.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Oh, God. Come on, guys. Please help me. Please.
Going over here.
Oh, my gosh. Oh,
Front of the cruiser.
please help me.
Stand up.
I'm trying, man. Oh, my
Alright,
God.
spread your feet.
Please help me.
Face forward.
Why?
Careful. Hey,
Why does it hurt so bad?
careful. All right, he might have needle. Good.
I don't
You got
have no
needle?
needle, sir. No. No. Oh my God. I don't have no needles on me, guys. I'm sorry. Man, I don't know what I just did, dude. My back is killing me, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
I bet.
oh my God. Why did you guys do that to me? I'm
Nice
sorry.
try, bud.
No, I'm serious.
Hey,
I
you
wasn't
can just
gonna
be
run
quiet
from
right
you guys.
now.
Guys,
You
I'm
just be
not-
quiet right now.
I'm not running from you guys.
Dog, you put the car in gear and tried to step on it. You can cut all that shit
I was
out.
not-
I don't want
was
to hear it
nervous,
anymore.
sir. I'm not-
I don't care.
Flashback.
Yes, sir, I'm getting out.
Out. Step out.
I'm getting out.
Step out.
Please stop. Please.
Step out now.
Please stop.
Car. Step out.
Please, sir, please.
Step out now.
Sir.
End of flashback.
Alright, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Oh my God.
We'll have to. Well, we'll probably have to have you check him out.
Yeah, never mind.
Please. I was afraid. You guys obviously know I was high.
What's that? Yeah, he's saying his back's hurt.
Not a 45, but it's out of Hilliard.
Oh, okay.
Back to a female.
Okay.
I'm scared, guys. That's all.
Good job, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Mark.
Guys, what am I being charged with?
Oh, you about to catch a felony fleeing charge. You should
Please.
probably keep your mouth shut and face forward.
I'm sorry.
I ain't real happy with you.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, man. I wasn't
I've been known to be
scared.
petty as shit, so listen to what I'm saying.
They came up to him. He tried to take off.
Yeah, we had a struggle in the driver's seat. Somebody threw it into gear and then got ripped out of the car. So
And what is your name, sir?
Joseph Dodson.
How old are you?
34.
What's your date of birth?
Mark. Joseph. So, man, you're gonna be banged up a little bit, alright? I would suggest you see how you feel.
Not yet.
Okay.
It's only just tried
Get
to.
this process wrong.
Joseph, and then I didn't say the last name.
Need to be seen? Alright.
What's your last name, my
Oh,
man?
man. My hands are numb.
What's your last name?
Dodson.
Spell it for me.
D-O-D-S-O-N.
D-O-D-S-O-N.
Yes, sir.
we're gonna have one follow you.
Alright, buddy. I have to get on this spot.
Mr. Joseph Dotson is no stranger to the criminal justice system. I counted 23 cases in Franklin County Municipal Court alone. For this incident, he was charged with OVI and pled guilty on August 21st, 2024. He spent 24 days in jail, was given 156 days of time on the shelf, as well as 3 years of probation.